Hello, welcome to Spot Array Channel. Now I will bring a tutorial on how to archive or hide the post from the feed. Before that, you don't miss any of our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's start it. First of all, we go to Instagram application here. You can click the symbol of this, and then you click the photos that you want to archive and hide. I choose this and click three dots of symbol in the upper of the photos and click archive. This takes time and no post yet. Okay, the photos is archived. How to see where the archive is? Click the tree of strip here and click archive. This is the photos is archived. I think this is a tutorial how to archive the photo or videos in your Instagram account. I hope this video is useful for you and thank you.